Whether you're preparing a kale and pineapple juice after completing a cycling workout ahead of time spent watching a National Geographic documentary on Disney+, or monitoring security footage while abroad after receiving an air quality notification indicating a possible issue with the tenants, the latest generation of smart home gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative smart home gadgets which will not only set a scene but get you out of a spin. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. A NUTRIBULLET is a type of personal blender designed to extract nutrients from food. It uses a powerful motor and a specialized blade to break down fruits, vegetables and other ingredients into a smooth, drinkable consistency, often in under a minute. The lid of the NUTRIBULLET also contains the blade. Once fitted to the blending container, it is turned upside down and attached to the base which contains the motor. This design is both safe and allows for blended drinks to be consumed directly from the container. 1 to 2 drink servings can be consumed on the go, hence helping those short on time and space enjoy the most nutrient-dense meals. Besides smoothies, NUTRIBULLETs can be used for protein shakes, dips, sauces and other purees, with some models also capable of grinding coffee beans and chopping nuts. The process is straightforward. Most parts, like the cups, are dishwasher safe and the motor base can be rinsed easily. It comes with a recipe book and spare sturdy plastic and cap. With patented blending technology, convenient integrated blade lid design allowing for the consumption of drinks directly from the container and suggested recipes, the NUTRIBULLET makes for an affordable and fun alternative. The TAPO C210 pan/home security Wi-Fi camera is an indoor smart camera that offers 2K video, mechanical pan and tilt controls and two-way audio. It features a round camera enclosure on top of a motorized base allowing for 360 degrees of panning mobility. The motorized black lens assembly provides 114 degrees of tilt and houses a micro SD slot. The 3-megapixel camera has a 2304 by 1296 pixel resolution and captures 2K video at 15 frames per second. There is a microphone and speaker for two-way audio and a built-in siren. 4 infrared LEDs provide black and white night vision video. When motion is detected, the camera sends a notification. It is also able to specify whether a person caused the commotion. By default, the device stores video recordings of each event locally on the micro SD card. It is also possible to subscribe to a TAPO Care plan for online storage. Access to both local and cloud footage is via the TAPO mobile app as well as live control of the camera, audio communication and setup. With pan tilt capability, motion detection and both local and cloud storage, the TP-Link Tape C210 makes for a convenient and scalable security solution. The SOULCYCLE at-home bike is an exercise bike with a focus on riding in step with the beat of music while working to master choreography moves. It offers fun and challenging workouts that combine cardio and strength training with elements of dance. There is a library of on-demand SOULCYCLE classes, plus around 5 to 10 live classes per day. Classes can be filtered by category: cycling or sculpt, length, instructor, level and music. Disney Plus or Netflix is included in the membership. The bike's sleek and sturdy steel frame with a 21.5-inch touchscreen on which users can stream immersive virtual classes brings the heart-pumping, inspirational studio experience to workouts. 2 large magnets are used to add and remove resistance based on their distance from the flywheel. An auto-follow feature automatically adjusts resistance to match the instructor's cues. In addition to the bike and the membership, users require a pair of clip-in cycling shoes and a set of light hand weights. Both are available as accessories through SOULCYCLE. With a premium, sturdy, ergonomic frame, choreography-focused live and on-demand classes as well as access to Disney Plus or Netflix, the SOULCYCLE at-home bike makes for an exciting fitness alternative. The CAPSTONE connected smart mirror performs functions similar to a tablet and smartphone with both touchscreen and voice interfacing, internet access and an operating system capable of running downloadable applications. The mirror allows users to access voice assistants, check traffic and weather, stream entertainment, listen to music, access social media feeds and more. Users can compose emails and messages by typing directly on the mirror. Voice control can recognize 6 different voices and log users in and out of Google accounts. Alternatively, a smartphone screen can be displayed through the mirror by utilizing AirPlay on iOS devices, or a cast option on Android. Anything on the user's phone screen is then mirrored, while audio is played through the smart mirror's speakers. The mirror is available in 2 sizes, the standard intended to be wall-mounted and a larger fitness/wardrobe variant which can be wall-mounted or used freestanding. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, along with a USB Type-C port. There is an AC power supply as well as the option of using a portable USB battery pack. The CAPSTONE connected smart mirror provides not only a productive means of consuming content but an opportunity to connect. IKEA smart home products are easily controlled solutions to lighting, air quality, mains control, water leakage and entertainment. Acting as a communication bridge between the smartphone app and smart home products is IKEA's Dirigira. Relatively compact, it features 2 ports, one Ethernet for connecting to the home's modem and one USB Type-C for power input. The IKEA Home Smart app is used to set up and control products from a user's smartphone or tablet. It has a user-friendly interface with simplicity of use. Products include TRAD-free, a wireless motion sensor that can quickly boost a home's security, giving nightlight functionality to areas after dark. Badring, a water leak sensor that can be placed near a sink, washing machine or radiators that will send an alert if it detects leaks or floods. Valvehorn, a wireless motion sensor which can be used to turn lights on when someone enters a room and off when then leave. Inspulning, a smart plug and energy monitor that not only lets users control devices but also tracks their energy usage. IKEA's collection of smart home products, from lighting control and wireless charging to Sonos partnered speakers and remote controls, makes for an exciting home automation solution. So guys, if you are looking for a smart home gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to the ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.